Question 12. The equation of the line L1 is y is equal to 2x plus 3. The equation of the line L2 is 5y minus 10x plus 4 is equal to 0. Show that these two lines are parallel. Well, these lines are parallel if their gradients are equal. And so I can see on line 1 that the gradient is 2, but I want my line 2 in the form y equals mx plus c, so I can view that gradient more simply. And so if I take line 2, first thing I've done here is I've added 10x and subtracted 4 from both sides, so that I can write 5y is equal to 10x take away 4. Now if I divide every term here by 5, I've got that y is equal to 2x minus 0.8. Now this part's not important to me. What is important is in front of the x here, which is that the gradient of L2 is 2. Since L1 and L2 have a gradient of 2, these lines are parallel.